What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Chili Willy. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the left eye. Now you want to draw an oval coming down at an angle, so we'll start on the top left side. Draw the bottom of that oval coming in toward the bottom. Now you want to round this out and bring that back up towards the top. Now along the bottom we want to draw a horizontal oval for the cheek. So we'll start right here, going out toward the left, come across the bottom, and bring that back up towards the eye. Now with the eye and cheek in place, let's move over towards the right and draw on the beak. We're going to start on the bottom left side of the eye, the beak coming down, and then up. Now you want to pull this back in towards the inside of the cheek, coming down, and then in. Let's open up the mouth, starting from the inside of the beak, curve this down, and then out towards the right. I'm just going to bring that back up underneath the beak. Let's add the tongue along the inside with a curve, and then we'll fill the top half in black. Now along the side of the mouth, curve this down and out, and we'll pull the chin coming in and then up underneath the cheek. Now we want to tuck the right eye in behind the left eye and the beak. So we're going to start at the very top, draw another oval, going up at an angle, come down, and then in towards the top of the beak. Let's pull the pupils towards the left side, so along the bottom, draw an oval, coming down towards the bottom edge, back up. Now the right pupil is going to get tucked in behind, so we can go up, and then in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottom area in black. Now let's draw the right cheek in behind the eye and the beak. So we're going to start from the bottom of the eye, curve this up and out, come down, and just tuck that in behind the side of the mouth. Let's go back to the top of the right eye and draw the head coming back in towards the cheek. So we start up here, curve this up, go across, and then down, round out the back of the head, and just pull that in towards the left side of the cheek. Let's add that trim across the head, starting along the top of the head, pull this in between the eyes, and curve this up above the left eye, come down along the side, and then in on top of the cheek. Now we're going to place the hat on the left side. Let's start from the side of the head, add a fold going up towards the top, step back down, go out and up. Let's pull the top of the hat brim in towards the top of the head. We're going to go up and then bend that down. From the back of the hat brim, let's step up, draw a curve going up and in, and we'll draw a large circle along the top, going all the way around and then back down. From the bottom of that circle, curve the hat coming down and forward. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the left shoulder. We're going to start underneath the cheek, curve the shoulder going out, and then down towards the elbow, round up the elbow, and then pull it back up. Now we're going to tuck the left arm in behind the body. So from here we're going to step up, curve the back coming down, go out, and then up towards the end of the tail. From the tail, let's curve the body coming down, go across the bottom, and just hook that up. Now I'm going to go all the way back over towards the right side underneath the cheek and curve the front edge of the body and just tuck that in along the bottom. So I'm going to curve the body going out, come all the way down, and round up the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add a trim on the left side. From the end of the tail, come down. That's going to go up underneath the left cheek. Let's add a fold in the center of the chest with a curve. Let's raise the right arm. We're going to start from the side of the cheek, bend the arm going up and out towards the thumb, go up and pull the thumb coming down. Let's bend the hand going out and then down towards the end, round out the hand, and go back up. And I want to bend the arm coming back down in behind the body. So we're going to step back, bend this in, and then down. Now let's go all the way back down to the bottom and draw on the feet. We're going to start on the left side, curve the foot, coming down and out. Go underneath the body on the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the end of the foot and bend that back in towards the body. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Chilly Willy. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.